Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with your Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer versus a Wi-Fi connected but no internet access is available. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the search menu and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select Run as Administrator. So dito sa Administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter ang command keyword na ipconfig //flushdns. Ayan. So, i-type mo lang yung ipconfig //flushdns. So, one word yung /+DNS and then press mo lang mo enter. And then makita mo dito na successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, so ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay enter lang natin ang netsh space winsock space reset. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na netsh space winsock space reset and press mo lang yung enter. At makita mo dito na successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, so ang next nito ay press lang natin tong CMD at dito sa start menu and then i-click mo lang to restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang no internet secured Wi-Fi error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.